Good morning, friends. As Mrs. Schaefer and I told you on Friday when we had our visit, we have finished our math book. So that means we're going to learn a couple first grade things, and we're also going to review a couple things. This week, we're going to review addition and subtraction. So today, I'm going to talk only about addition with you. And then on Zoom with Mrs. Schaefer tomorrow, you're going to practice your addition. So there are two big signs that we use when we talk about addition. The first sign is the plus sign. The plus sign means it is joining two numbers together. So you usually write a number here plus another number before you get your answer. So plus means you're joining together. And then we have our equal sign. And equals comes right before our answer. So if we're saying 2 plus 2 equals, and then we have to figure out what is 2 plus 2 more. So this is another sign we use, equals. So another thing we used when we were adding were counters, and they would help us add in the classroom. We would usually use those connector cubes. Now, you may not have those cubes at home, but you probably have something else that you could use as counters. There's some things that you could use like pennies or any kind of coin if you have a handful of them. You could use toys, maybe you could use blocks. You could use a handful of Legos to help you add. You could use some kind of food, maybe some cereal. You could dump out some Cheerios onto a plate and it would help you add. They could be your counters. So when you're adding, and even tomorrow on Zoom, you could have a little plate or maybe a little bowl full of counters in front of you to help you. Now, a lot of times in our book, we had pictures to help us add. So my first example is going to have pictures. So I'm going to show you the pictures I drew. It has blank plus, that's our plus sign, blank equals, that's that other sign we talked about, blank. So remember, when we're adding and using the plus sign, we're joining things together. So that means we're counting them all together at the end. So we need our first number, and this group is split up by that line. So let's count what's over here. 1, 2. There's only 2 balloons right here. So our number 2 is going to go down here. So I'm going to write my 2. I wrote my 2 for my 2 balloons. And then it says 2 plus blank. Now we need to count how many balloons are over here. 1, 2, 3. So our 3 goes over in the next blank. Now, when we're adding, we join all of them together. So now it says 2 plus 3 equals blank. We have to figure out what is 2 plus 3 more. So now we have to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Our 5 goes in our last blank. And all of our blanks are filled, so we finished our addition problem. Now this time, I want you to close your eyes. I'm not going to show you any pictures. I'm just going to tell you a little story, but it's going to be an addition story. So that means we're going to be adding in this story. So I want you to close your eyes. Make sure they're shut. Okay. I want you to pretend that we are in school and I gave you 2 stickers on your paper. And then I went back to my desk and I came over and I gave you 2 more stickers. How many stickers are on your paper all together? I gave you 2 stickers and I gave you 2 more. Okay, now you can open your eyes. How many stickers do you have on your paper? If you said 4, you are correct. 2 plus 2 more is 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a little hungry while I was talking about adding, so I came down for a snack. I have 2 Cheez-Its right here, but I'm a little hungrier, so I think I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll take 5 more. So now I have to join them together to add. So 2 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Altogether, I have 7 Cheez-Its.